Welcome to Osteophysio YouTube channel. Today we're looking at how to foam roll the piriformis and the glute muscles. Next, you want to foam roll the glutes and the piriformis muscle. Piriformis muscle attaching from your sacrum out into the greater trochanter around here, so a band-like muscle across the buttocks, with the glutes blending over and around that area. So to isolate into the piriformis, what you want to do is place the foam roller underneath the buttocks, so in the middle of the buttocks. You're going to cross the leg over, and then you're going to roll yourself over the foam roller. So you'll feel that releasing through. Again, if there's a point that's particularly tender, you can hold it in that position and then continue to roll. It's quite a tender area, so you want it to be nice and slow and gentle as you're doing that movement. Good, and then to isolate more specifically through the glutes, just drop the leg down and then just rolling over the foam roller. And you want to make sure you're going all the way up to the base of the lower back as well, where it touches to the upper part of the ilium, so all the way up. And then relaxing through.